Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Hump Day, Wednesday. Last night, I prepared in the culinary expedition live. I want to say Saturday night, but this is not Saturday Night Live. Boy, you can tell where I grew up. We were in Turkey, which is really funny because I posted that very burnt meme about the turkey and giving me 3 words. Those spent some very good responses. All right, I digress. In Turkey, I prepared live menemen, a traditional Turkish breakfast full of veggies, onions and peppers and tomatoes, popping cumin, Aleppo chili pepper flakes. Oh, the cumin was just bam, right in my face. But it was good in my face. And the Aleppo, oh, beautiful. Definitely try this. It is very good. It's a family pleaser, easy breakfast, brunch, or dinner. I had it with toast. Originally, I had it slated to do O'Brien potatoes with it, but I'm glad I didn't do them. It would have been too much food. And I have leftovers, which is okay. All right, tonight, it is all about me. It is a casual chef meal, and I've been changing it. That's what's fun about it, because I just put an ingredient list together and I go for it. Basically, I'm just calling this a casual chef Kielbasa Stir-Fry. It's a little fusion. Don't let the kielbasa fool you. It is going to be a little bit of fusion going on. All right, let's get to it. And like I said, this is a kielbasa stir-fry. This is a half of a link. So yeah, kielbasa, olive oil, pumice, kosher salt, black pepper. I'll do half a red onion, half slice. I have some leftover peppers from yesterday. Those would be a rough chop, very rough. I'll slice a zucchini, slice this carrot, ginger, garlic, lots of garlic. I'm bringing the Aleppo back because I like it so much to this meal. And I'm going to use the honey sesame sauce I used just a little bit ago. And I'm going to serve this over egg noodles. Like I said, there's a little bit of fusion going on there. Just a little bit. I look forward to it. Man, I must be, I don't know what, but I'm actually thinking about doing a live prep and doing a live cooking today, it all depends on how I feel. I don't know. All right, so on this hump day, this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.